Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If I'm coughing at all, don't worry, it's just fine. We're back with the we're just gonna do 35 B zone because yeah, and also I forgot to show the last video. Mr. Friend got gummy boots. Mr. Friend also has gummy mask, diamond mask, and demon mask. Forgot to show that part. Yeah, let's get right into the video. So we gotta go to the 35B zone. Oh yes, the maze. So if you want a free star jelly, I recommend saving them. Just save it. Don't use it on your bees. So you just come behind the pedal thing and you're here and grab it. That's from the other maze. You can just grab it right there. Yes, the extreme memory match is very good if you can afford it. I can barely make it up these jumps, but yes. And I recommend saving that star jelly because, yes. And also, just a quick thing. Go with the pedal on first, I think. Mr. Friend is saying windy, but I'm gonna get the pedal on first.
You're getting it?
I'm getting it, yeah, I'm getting it so I can have the same collector as Mr. Friend. So after getting the pedal on or windy bee first, do in either order. Then of course get the pedal belt after those two, and then last thing is pedal planter, and then you're done with this shop. Wait, is there any secrets in the Coco? Apparently there's something behind the dispenser in the Coco crab shop, but I can't get there right now. I don't feel like killing Coco. It takes me like an hour. If you can afford it, use the extreme memory match. I've been doing it. The what? Yeah, any planter gives you good rewards, so planters. So, I hope you heard that because I don't even remember what you said. Hopefully I heard that. Start Spirit Bear quest right away, guys. I'm on the 9th, right? Yeah. Forcefully friendly. I don't know. Forcefully friendly. Yeah, always kill your bosses whenever you can. Yeah, always complete Spirit Bear quest when you can, because. Yeah, do your planters every time you can, in every field that you can, like especially in these fields, because they give good buffs. Always, when you can, inspect the wind shrine and donate. Well, I mean by that boosting. Yeah, only do it for quests and boosting. I mean, planter shop. Oh yeah, planter shop. It's very quick because on it didn't add as many things for this 35B zone as there was on everything else. And over here, so get the plastic planter. And candy planter is pretty good. Yeah, get the candy planter. Should we get the tacky planter? Get pesticide. Get definitely pesticide. Get pesticide. 3 caustic wax, 10 hard wax, 15 glue, 25 neon berries, and 25 magic berries, 750 million honey. Pretty good, except for the caustic wax. The planter of plenty is a little expensive. That's more of an end game. 25. The gummy ballers 5, and so that's pretty insane. Yeah. This guy's kind of useless. He doesn't really give anything. Ooh, highest damage to single mushroom. Why is that in here? Why is the leaderboard in here? Yeah. I'll just kind of show you secrets around it. So up here, there's honeysuckle and some smooth dice. No royal jelly. Oh, there is a royal jelly right there. We can't really get back here. There is a star jelly. I don't know if I got it. I did. What's that blue thing? Maybe that's glass looking into it? I'll see from the inside. Yeah, there's a star jelly back there. You need moon amulet, and it needs to be nighttime. Yeah, there's a star jelly over here. Yeah, no, you need moon amulet to use the moon platforms. Even if it's nighttime, you need moon amulet. So yeah, you need moon amulet at nighttime to get that star jelly, or else it'd actually be really easy. You just need 10 bees to get it. That would be overpowered. Like, why would Anna do something that easy? Yeah, that's basically it for this video because it's kind of like short. Yeah, get the mythic egg from Black Bear and grind spirit quest. Yeah, grind quest in general. I don't feel like doing that. I've already completed 2 of these quests today. Spirit Bear quest, and I do not like Spirit Bear. I don't want Spirit Bear to exist. If I could, I'd just steal all Spirit Bear's petals and just run away. And then we'd all be happy. Oh, what is the code? What is the code? So, I recommend the 2 billing code for your Fiesta. I think that's how you call it. Yeah, something like that. And they're all on the Bee Swarm Discord server in one of the channels. They're on the Bee Swarm Discord server, so yeah, that's where I got them from. And yeah, that's it for this video. Goodbye.